Samsung's most unusual foldable phone is back in stock in the United States, but this may also be your final chance to buy it. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold has officially returned to Samsung's US store, and reports suggest this could be the last restock before the device is discontinued. That makes this moment important for collectors, foldable fans, and anyone curious about the most ambitious phone Samsung has made so far. The Galaxy Z TriFold is not a normal foldable. Instead of folding once like a regular book-style foldable, this device uses a trifold design. That means the screen folds in multiple sections, allowing it to transform from a phone into a much larger tablet-style display. It's one of the boldest ideas we've seen in the smartphone market, and it comes with a price to match. Samsung is selling the Galaxy Z TriFold in the US for $2,899. There is only one version available, and it includes 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage. That puts it in ultra-premium territory. This is not a phone aimed at the average buyer. It is a niche product made for people who want the newest technology first, no matter the cost. So why could this be the final restock? Samsung has reportedly decided to move on from the tri-fold concept, at least for now. The company is expected to focus its next foldable lineup on devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and the rumored Samsung Galaxy Z Wide Fold. That suggests Samsung may believe there is a better future in thinner, lighter, and more practical foldables instead of expensive multi-fold devices. And honestly, that makes sense. The Galaxy Z TriFold is impressive, but products like this face major challenges. First, the price is extremely high. Nearly $3,000 is far beyond what most people are willing to pay for a phone. Second, trifold devices are more complex. More moving parts can mean more weight, more thickness, and more durability concerns over time. Third, many buyers simply do not need a giant folding tablet in their pocket. For everyday users, a normal flagship phone or a simpler foldable often makes more sense. Still, that does not take away from what the trifold represents. This device shows what happens when a company pushes innovation without playing it safe. Samsung took a risk and created something that stands out in a market where many phones look and feel the same. Even if it does not become a long-term product line, it helped move the foldable conversation forward. Sometimes products like this are not about massive sales. They are about testing ideas, showing engineering strength, and learning what users actually want. And those lessons can shape future devices. For example, if Samsung learned that users want large screens but dislike bulky designs, that could explain why the rumored Galaxy Z Wide Fold is getting attention. A wide foldable may deliver tablet-like space in a more practical way than a trifold. So in a way, the trifold may be the experiment that leads to something better. If you are thinking about buying one, there is one thing to keep in mind. Stock may be very limited. Because of the high price and low production volume, Samsung likely only restocked a small number of units. Once they are gone, this model could disappear for good. That means the Galaxy Z TriFold may soon become one of those rare devices people remember as bold, expensive, and ahead of its time. It may not have been built for everyone, but it was definitely built to be noticed. And if this really is the end of the Galaxy Z TriFold, it leaves behind an important message. Innovation does not always become mainstream, but it always matters.